Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Returning to Basics. This is Neal. I'm out in the yard and I'm working today on my outboard motor. I'm going to replace the tiller handle twist grip, and let's see if I can get that done. I've got an idea. I have to kind of make a special tool, and let's see if I can actually get that to work. Not the perfect tool. Okay, I'm beginning to get it to clamp down. Oh, kind of had it there for a minute. There's the problem, you dropped your screws. It's not made perfectly for this, I know. I'm kind of creating this tool of sorts. Let's see if I can't make it happen though. There we go, look at that. Old one off. We'll take the idle adjustment out of there. My goodness, it's going to have a wrench. Look at that. Slid right in there. And this time, I'll put a little white grease on it, on all the moving parts. That can go back in there. Even a little white grease on the end of this, in these threads. And particularly on these, right here in these grooves. Takes a little white grease. As you can see, that little piece right there moves right in there, and it needs white grease to make its life easier. your sides. There. So you can slide better. Down through there. Clean my fingers a little. A little white grease around that groove tab, because those run in it. There we go. Why am I using white grease? Because it won't hurt the metal, the plastic. Will not hurt this plastic. And other grease will indeed hurt the plastic. Will eat it up, make it disintegrate. White grease will not. Okay, let's see if we can slide on this new handle. Look at that. There we go. A new twist grip installed on my 15 horse Johnson outboard. Even have the little slow and fast indicator in the right spot. I could have put it upside down, but I did not. Well, there we go. That's one project done today. I have to do another one on my brother's outboard motor. I have to actually change the seals in the foot. So there you go. If you ever have to replace one of these, you can actually do it with a little slide clamp and 2 1/4-inch bolts, instead of having to buy that $80 tool that's specifically made for that. And you can use this for lots of other things, and we picked this up at Harbor Freight yesterday for 99 cents. Okay, let's go off, do some other things. My friend Priscilla asked me to put our cameras out in tape during the hurricane that came through, Hurricane Laura, although we didn't have a waterproof camera of any kind, so I didn't put one out. And basically all we had was a little wind, not a lot like they thought we would have, and we had a couple of inches of rain, which we desperately needed. I'm going to show you the damage that we had from Hurricane Laura. That's it. 1 or 2 branches in the yard. So, Priscilla, I'm sorry that I didn't have anything else to show you. But I'm also grateful, thank God, that we had no other issues. We battened down everything and tied down everything and picked up our buckets and different things so that we would not have any real issues. And that's what we had. By the way, the muscadines are about to start coming off before you know it. They're beginning to get ripe. As you can see, we're not quite there yet, but they're beginning to get ripe. So I'll let you all know whenever that happens.